Hello guys, this is a new video. This time we have some friends over. We're gonna do a Nerf battle. This is my thing.
Why are you pointing at me first?
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, this is Yesser.
Bravo, baby.
This is Daniel.
Bravo, baby.
And this is Jonathan. He's gonna be recording because
Yeah.
he doesn't really want to be in a Nerf battle.
Well, I just want to
And
record.
this is gonna be Uziel's Nerf gun.
Yeah, but
Bravo gun.
Okay, now what gun are you using, Mateos?
This is this gun that I found at your house, and I was like, okay. And then I'm like, can I use this? And then you're like, okay, sure, I don't care. And then I just loaded up and using it.
Okay. You are brothers with kids. Okay. What gun do you have?
Rifle, normal gun.
Okay. What gun do you have?
That phone.
Yeah, that's very powerful. And my baby sister has a weapon too right there. She's gonna be fighting. Maybe. She's dead. Okay. We're gonna start a battle. Do you want to do teams?
Teams.
Rivals
Teams.
versus or just
Rifles versus. Then I'm alone. No, oh, true.
Okay. Okay. Who do you want to be?
You guys didn't do it. I want to be with Uziel.
Let's go. Come on.
I want Uziel. I am with.
Okay. Jonathan, you're gonna be recording, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Everybody split. 3 and 3 on after you've been hit 3 times, you're dead. 3. We're gonna do 3 rounds of this, and then the video's over. So 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Got hit once.
Go, go. Oh!
Got Uziel out. I got Uziel out. I'm almost out. Hey, I'm the only one here using normal bullets. Oh. Guys,
I'm out. Thank you. Back to YouTube.
I got them
One
out.
of you can have my
Uziel, why did
channel.
you die?
One of
got
you can
Uziel.
have my channel.
We win.
Okay, that's Team Mateos wins.
I'm out of bullets. Yeah.
I shot you like 2 times.
Yeah, and my still.
Booty shot, booty shot. I'm sorry, I'm not rolling orange. Booty shot.
That was really hard.
That was easy. Hey yo, this is Uzi, you boy. No, you're a bit of butt. You gotta stop with some. Okay. Okay, round 2. Once we.
Wait, I need to load my vehicle bullets.
Okay.
Sam, I need to load.
Jonathan here is recording us. You're dead, right? You're dead.
I'm just.
You're dead. You're dead. Hi, my name is Yesser. How are you guys doing? You see my Nerf gun? I'm just trying to be like, of course. Okay, everybody.
Wait.
No. Oh, Mateus and Mateus, you're the one who check out Mateus' channel, and because his name is Mateus, subscribe and slap that bell, and also to the same to Bible Talks and he has more subscribers than me. You point O and Deborah.
Why do you have to die too?
I don't know. And Mateus the one who made the tank. I don't know.
I'm reloading my little gun. I'm not upstairs.
Okay, everyone. Yes, sir.
Why
Why didn't you show us how that cake turned?
We call this guy.
Okay.
We call this
Okay.
because we bring the pizza to like a party and then
Okay,
everybody-
3. We're gonna start the same teams. 3. And that was horrible. 2. Corn. 1.
It was the only cake you were making.
Getting ready to shoot at the enemy. I'm stuck. has don't mess up that.
Okay, I swear, Uziel was under the bed. I swear.
I know. I see his gun.
Get him! Ow! You better watch out, boy. You better watch out. You better watch out. I just want you guys to run out of bullets. Like, get out of bullets. Because I need to load now.
Honestly, I'm dead already. I'm not that good.
Well, I'm just gonna kill myself.
Let's get some snacks.
Can someone lock the door? Someone please lock the door.
You can't just do
Wait, pause, guys, pause. Oh, wait, there's no pause.
Hey.
There's no pause.
Okay, they won for the second round.
Yeah. Guys, for the rivals, can they like they're unkind when they love?
No. There's only these.
Okay.
You and your
Honestly, this is my comics. Just saying, this guy has comics.
It's harder for me to get.
Okay, just
Be
stop.
quiet. Be quiet. Look at me. I only have 5 bullets.
Okay, so this is my comics. Mateos makes comics. Right, laser beam? I'm not laser. Yeah, you are. You're laser beam. You're laser beam. You're laser beam. Laser beam plays Super Mario.
He does?
Yeah, he does.
Oh yeah.
And Soldier likes Fortnite. Okay, then this guy right here, I mean,
Nose. Am I? Oh, I mean, stop.
there is laser beam right there. This is Soldier, this is Strike, this is the bad guy. Okay, we have like a whole bunch of yeah. This is basically a really ugly guy. So we're gonna wrap up the video, even if it felt so short, but it's actually 7 minutes. We're gonna wrap up the video.
Well, that's the